Hello guys, today we're going to take a look at the Sentimental Bob Electronics Beat Dictator. What this pedal does is it's a tap tempo generator, and we have 4 tap outputs coming out of this pedal, and we can go into delay pedals, tremolo pedals, and loopers. And on the back of the pedal we have a MIDI output which sends MIDI clock for Strymon pedals, tap, and other pedals that accept MIDI. And we can also start and stop through MIDI with this pedal. And let's look at the ports. We have 2 1/4-inch outputs on either side, and the smaller connectors are very convenient when you're modifying existing pedals that don't have tap. You can just drill a little hole and put in the 3.5mm jack versus the 1/4-inch, which takes up a lot more room. And also there's 2 different types of taps. On the left side, this Beat Dictator will do boss pedals because they're normally closed and then they open for tap. The other 3 outputs do standard tap functions, and the 2 little 3.5mm outputs, either one of them can be set inside with a jumper to have a sync function, which is a continuous signal. So when you're setting tremolos, that's where very beneficial. Like I have the Lunana here from Sentimental Bob Electronics, and we're going to be playing around with the different waveforms, and it's great to have that sync so it's constantly receiving the signal so we can sync it up with our delays. Alright, so let's dive into the pedal. With our knob we can select our beats per minute, and once we select our new beats per minute, we click on this knob, and now with 3 taps it sends out a new delay tempo to our delays. So let's hear what that sounds like. Alright, so let's pick a new tempo. Let's say 145. Simple as that. So if we want to change subdivisions, we can do that on the pedal, or we can do that inside here as well. So this is our tempo. Now we hold again to edit our tap. We can go back to the 1/4 notes. Retaps our new tempo. Alright, so that's the standard tap. Now we can control our sync tap as well. Let's turn off the delay and turn on the tremolo. So same as delay. Now we can edit our subdivision for the sync. We hold it a little bit longer. These little dot appears here and then a dot in the middle. And now we can select our sync. So we have 0.5, which is every 2 bars. And it's great for loopers. It can send a signal to restart the looper. And then we have every measure. And then this is half a measure. And then this is 1/4. And then we have 8, and that's pretty much as far as that goes. So we can set it to go double time on the tremolo. Alright, now while our delay is going at a 1/4, and you can see these little dots right here. In the middle is our sync tap tempo, and on the left is our standard MIDI clock, and on the right is a little dot for our tap tempo. So when we select the new tempo, it clicks 3 times for a new tempo to set to the delays. So here we go. Let's turn off tremolo. So delays are at a 1/4, 145 beats per minute. And our tremolo's going at 1/8. So when we like the combination, we need to save this preset. It has 10 presets. So 1 preset all the way through 9, and then a 0 preset. So what we do is we hold. It goes into sync, and then a number, and then we hold again. And this will go into our preset saving. mode. So P1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9 and then to 0. So let's save this to preset 1. We select our preset and we hold. And we have successfully saved our first preset. Now let's change it up a bit, save it to another preset, and then we'll switch over and go select presets, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's go to, let's say, 100 BPM. Tremolo is going at double time. Let's edit that. All right, let's go to quarter notes. And also the delay is going at the same rate. And we can speed it up, go up to 130, select our new tempo. Now let's change the tap divide on the delay. Let's go to dotted 8. All right, so let's say we want to save that. Let's go ahead, click the button, hold it until it goes into the sync. Then we hold it again. Now we can select what preset we want to save it to. Let's hold that again. And we have successfully saved it to the second preset. Recalling presets. Click that foot switch once. Now we can go preset 1 and it'll preview what's on the preset. So we have preset 1. It'll show our, that's preset 2. So preset 1, and then it shows BPM, tap is quarter, sync is on. And here's preset 2. We have 130 BPMs, tap is dotted 8, sync is on 4. So to select our preset, we hold, and now we have our preset. So that's preset 1. Let's go to preset 2. Click that button. Select preset 2. We hold it down. Preset 2. So let's say we have our preset 1, which is 145 BPMs. And let's say on the fly we want to select a new tempo. So we could just tap that in with this switch. We can save that preset as well. Hold down till sync shows up, then a number. Hold again, and then we can select, let's say, preset number 3. We are now saved on preset number 3. Now we can select the 3 presets that we have, and it'll cycle between just the presets that we have stored. So preset 1, long hold, preset 1 recalled, so let's go to preset 3. Click that. P will show up. Let's go P3 and long hold. So that is the look at the Beat Dictator from Sentimental Bob Electronics. And I think it's a great tool for live and for pedal boards that have multiple pedals. And you can sync with MIDI, you can sync with tap tempo, and have that sync output, which has continuous output for tremolos that is very useful, and other effects. So thank you guys for watching, and go ahead and check out Sentimental Bob Electronics.